Hello guys, myself Amrita. Welcome back to our channel TechnoSage. So in today's video, we are going to discuss about MySQL Order By clause. So let's get started. So there is a keyword called Order By in MySQL which is used to sort the data. Sorting the data means you have to arrange the data alphabetically. So now you can arrange the data alphabetically in ascending order as well as in descending order. So let's say here you can see that we have a table called employees which has employee ID, employee last name, first name and email ID. Let's say you want to sort the data based on the first name. What you need to do, you can write your simple select query to retrieve the data, and then you have to write order by clause and the column name. So here if you are sorting the data based on the first name, you have to write order by first name, and if you are sorting based on last name, then it would be order by last name. So let's understand the syntax first and then we'll write our query in SQL Workbench and try to execute it. So what is the syntax for order by statement? So first you need to write your select statement, select star, or you can say column 1, column 2 from table name. In this case our table name would be employees table, and then you need to write your order by clause. Order by, let's say you want to arrange the data based on the employee first name. So it would be employee first name, and then you need to define whether you want to sort the data based on the ascending order or in the descending order. So if you want to sort the data based on the ascending order, then it would be ASC, otherwise it would be DESC. And let's say you have not defined whether it should be in the ascending or descending order. So by default, it will sort the data in the ascending order. There is one more thing in order by clause. If you want to sort the data based on multiple columns, you can also do that in the same way. Just select star from table name, and then simply you need to write order by, and then your first column, for example it is first name in the ascending order and then last name in the descending order. How it will sort the data? It will first sort the data based on the first name in the ascending order, and then it will sort the data based on the last name in the descending order. So let's try both the ways to sort the data in our SQL Workbench, and we'll execute the queries and see the result set. So you can see here we have a table called employees having employee name, employee ID, address and city. Let's say we want to sort the data based on the employee name. So let's write our query. So it would be select star. Star means we want to display all the columns, and then table name, that would be company dot employees. That means employees table from the company database, and then you need to order by employee name. Let's say we are not defining here whether it should be sorted in ascending order or in descending order, then by default it should sort the data in ascending order. So let's run the query and see the output. So you can see here, right, in the result set the data is sorted in the ascending order. So let's say if we define here as DESC, that means now data should be in the descending order. So let's run the query and see the output. Now you can see the data is sorted in the descending order. Now let's try to sort the data based on the multiple columns. So let's say here we are sorting the data first on the basis of employee name and then on the basis of city. So now what would be our query? Select star from company dot employees, then order by. First we are sorting the data based on employee name in the descending order, and then city ascending order. Let's run the query and see the output. Now data should be sorted based on both the columns. So you can see here, right, first employee names are sorted on the basis of descending order. So that's why employee name starting with W is coming on the top, and the employee name starting with A coming in the end, and then city is sorted in the ascending order. So these were the two ways in which you can sort the data, or you can say that you can arrange the data. You can also sort the data based on multiple columns. Here we are using only 2 columns. You can also sort the data based on the 3 columns, for 4 columns, depending upon your requirement. I hope you understood the solution. Please let me know in the comment section. If you have any questions or any doubts, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.